Hey friends, I am back in the greenhouse. We had another atrocious rainstorm come through this morning, but it is time to start potting some of these tomatoes. They are very crowded, so I want to split them up a little bit, give them some more space. I'm just reusing these that I have from previous years. But while I'm doing that, I wanted to talk to you guys about something I've been thinking about. It's not anything terribly important, but it's definitely long-winded, so stick with me if you want to. If you don't, I get it. Not everybody has time to sit there and listen to me jabber. We started this YouTube channel 2 years ago, and honestly, I didn't do a whole lot. I didn't work hard to make it grow. It's only probably the last 6-8 months I've been making like a super valiant effort to try to create content and put out videos. The hard thing about it is you never know what people want to hear, and you always feel like YouTube's saturated with everything. You know, they have a lot of people who cover the same kind of content, and it's like, you know, what makes me special? If you're like me, you probably think nothing makes you special, but we all have something that makes us special, whether it be our personalities, our accents, our knowledge. You know, it doesn't matter. There's something about you that's worth sharing, you know. We cover a wide variety of topics, and a lot of times when I'm doing research on YouTube, I follow creators that'll show you, okay, well, here's what you can do to improve your videos and whatnot. And one thing they say a lot is to niche down. Niche down, niche down. Honestly, this is a channel that will probably never niche down. We cover all the homesteading topics because that's what we do here. We do a lot of different things. And I feel like if I just show you gardening, then you don't know about our poultry. If I just show you poultry, you don't know about my canning. If I just show you my canning, you don't know that I'm interested in herbal medicine. And you don't have to have a particular niche to have a YouTube channel. So that may come back to bite me in the butt later, but that's how I feel about it. So I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing and showing you everything. All of it. I hope that eventually we'll find our people here. I know that they are out there. We have a small collection of friends that follow us. They support us, and we love them and we appreciate them. And I think that there are a lot more people out there like them that want to know about all the things and want to have the general knowledge and don't necessarily want to be the best at everything, but have the skills at everything, if that makes any sense. With all that being said, of course, one day I'd love to have one of those shiny subscriber plaques on my wall from YouTube. Is that ever going to happen? Who really knows? I try to have a belief in myself and that people want to learn what we're teaching. But, you know, maybe it's not for me. Maybe it is. Whatever's for me is going to come to me, you know. Something I'm finding also that I've been doing lately is I've been going to search down the small channels like ourselves, the even smaller ones. I've been going subscribe and comment and just participating in their channel, because that's what really helps channels to grow, is people participating, commenting, subscribing, sharing. So I've been trying to do the same for others that I would want done for us when it comes to helping this channel grow. So if you're out there and you're a small channel, let me know if you follow. I'll go follow you back. I'll go subscribe. Let's support each other. There's more than enough room on YouTube for everyone. Now the other topic I want to talk about, and this will I'll either have a lot of agreement or disagreement, because I know people are very divided on this one. I subscribe to a lot of different channels, different Facebook groups, Instagram, social media, We sell hatching eggs, so we have to be on social media. That's how we advertise. That's what it is. I see a lot in the homesteading community of fear-mongering when it comes to homesteading and prepping and all those related topics. And I don't believe in that, and I'm going to tell you why. Realistically speaking, we all can't live in an off-grid cabin in 100 acres hidden in the wood. Now, while that sounds excellent, and I would probably actually love it, it's not realistic. I'll sometimes step away from social media for a few days just because sometimes the fear gets to be too much. It makes me anxious. I'm like, oh no, when is the world ending? When in reality, that's not what we should be learning for. We shouldn't be learning these skills out of fear. We should be learning them out of enjoyment. Let me get some more containers. Got some more containers. So that's what you won't see here. You won't see fear-based videos. We garden because we enjoy growing food. We enjoy growing clean food, knowing that we don't use any pesticides and stuff like that. You know, I know people do use pesticides, and that's okay. It's to each their own. That's not what we're trying to do, and that's why we garden the way that we garden. And that's why we do what we do. We like having the skills and the knowledge in case we ever need it. We may never need it, but that goes for everything we do here. We do it because we enjoy it, and we gain skills and knowledge that'll stay with us for the just in case. If you do this lifestyle out of fear, you won't retain the knowledge like you do if you're doing it out of enjoyment. If you learn something because you're enjoying it, you're going to keep it. It's going to stay with you. But if you're just doing this because you're fearful of the world ending, then you won't love it. Unfortunately for me, I guess, I won't get those YouTube-based clicks and subscribe that comes along with creating fear in people, because I see titles on videos and they scare me. They scare me, and I have an idea of what I'm doing, and they make me fearful. So I hope those of you that visit the channel, you stay because you either enjoy my sparkling personality, or you found something that you thought was helpful to you, some knowledge that you thought was valuable. Thanks for hanging out with me while I add dirt to containers. It's a boring task that has to be done. But I hope some of you will stay, and I hope you will subscribe. And if you have any thoughts on what I talked about today, I hope you'll leave them in the comments, because I would love to know that I'm not the only one who doesn't believe in the fear-based homesteading and the fear-based prepping and all of that. I feel like you should definitely be doing it because you want to, not because you're scared the world's about to end. So you have a great day. Know that I don't think the world's collapsing tomorrow. You have time to learn skills. You have time to collect the knowledge. And you also have time just to enjoy life. We don't always have to live in preparation for the worst. Bye, guys.